Hello, everybody. I am so happy for these Pop On Veneers. I've been dragged for 2 years by my insurance company, and no results happen. So I have gotten my veneers back, and they're very fast. They sent me the impression kit in 3 days. After I mailed off the impressions, they came within maybe less than 10 days. So I'm not going to show you my teeth. They're hot. Oh, okay. I'm a new person. And they fit so secure. I'm just getting used to not thinking they're gonna pop out because they're so secure. I just gotta get used to not trying to use my tongue to save it because it's not gonna fall out. They pop right in. And I'm very happy about this. And the speed of it coming back to you is incredible. So I'm very happy.